Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to design e-commerce banner in Photoshop. First, I will create a document 2000 by 2000. I will keep resolution 300 and color mode is RGB. Now I will draw a rectangle here. I will keep this color. This fill color code is 106C94. Now I will lock this layer. Now I will draw circle. I will change this ellipse color. I will keep white. I will select this ellipse. That's why I will go to edit and then free transform path. Now I will resize. Now I will copy this one by pressing Ctrl J. Now I will change this upper ellipse color. Now I will select this. Now I will use this image. I will select this image. That's why I will go to edit and then free transform. I will decrease this image size. I will click on the image layer and then create clipping mask. I will draw another circle here. I will change this ellipse color. I will select this one by pressing Ctrl J. Now I will change this upper ellipse color. I will use this image here. I will select this image. That's why I will go to edit and then free transform. I will increase this image size. Now I will right click on the image then create clipping mask. Now I will unlock this. Now I will select this all layer first. I will click here and then by holding shift key I will group this all layer by pressing Ctrl G. Now I will rename this background. I will lock this layer. Now I will type here. First I will change font color. I will use white here. Here I am using Beva's new font and I will decrease font size. I will use 40 logo. I will copy this one by pressing Alt and Shift key. Now I will rename this. I will copy this one again by pressing Alt and Shift key. I will copy this one again by pressing Alt and Shift key. Now I will draw a rectangle. I will change this rectangle color. I will use light green color here. Now I will draw a circle here. I will copy this one by pressing Alt and Shift key. I will change this color. I will copy this one by pressing Alt and Shift key. Now I will select this one by pressing Alt key, Shift key, and then select here, and then I will group this all layer by pressing Ctrl G. Now I will rename this text. Now I will unlock this one. That's all for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.